Okay, so this is not connected on here. But the way you put this in is we're just going to use the old sink. If you look, there's a little run right there. And so this little bulb right here is going to push down in there. So when I push this down, it's going to snap right in. So that is going to seal that right there. So that's a brand new one. So we don't need this one. We can get rid of it. That looks pretty good. The last thing we're going to do is plug this in. And so you got to remove this thing. Otherwise you won't be able to plug it in. And again, like I said, this is nice because we don't have to screw with that. And we just got to get around like that in that attitude. And this just slides around. This will seal up against the top of that. And we should be ready to go. It should only take a couple minutes to do. So let's go ahead and get it done. These right here, this little nub is going to slide right on there, all the way up from, and there's 3 sides of it. All right, right over here, right? One here, one here, one here. And as I turn it this way, it's going to compress this against that, and that's what's going to set the seal so it doesn't leak. Hopefully. We'll find out in a second. All right, let's try it. All right, so here we go. I'm going to slide her up, slide her on. All right, so this one's much lighter than the other one. So I just got to get that little thing there, and I got to match it all the way around, and then twist it a little bit, like that. And now this will move. You follow me? And I'm hoping that that's tight enough. Well, I guess we're going to find out, right? That didn't feel very tight. This is kind of spooking me. Because I couldn't get a really tight seal. I think it might be tight enough. This, I pushed it all the way. And it's on there, but that's as tight as I can get it. Follow me? I can't go any tight. Oh, look at that. Now I got it a little bit tighter. That may have done it. That may have helped us. Now we got to get this P-trap on this hose here, and we got to put our dishwasher hose on there. So let's do that next. So this piece here we're going to use, and then first I'm just going to slide it up on here like that. Just got to get it up there all the way, and then I'm going to bring this underneath it. I think I'm going to have to move this a little bit here to get that right to match up. All right, so I got to move it just a little bit to get it to match up. Yeah, there we go. Now we're looking good. And then I just got to slide this down on top of the white pipe without, you know, screwing anything up. There it goes. So once we get down there a little ways, we can go ahead and tighten her down. All right, so that baby's on there. Now I just got to tighten these righty-tighty, you know what I mean? Let's do it. So we just got to get these tightened down. And righty-tighty does it. Get it right on there. Nice and tight. Don't want any leaks. So you want to get these tight, you don't want any leaks. And then this one. Twister. You can see how it's tightened here and how this flares out a little bit. That lets you know that you got it on there. Usually the last thing you want is water seeping out of here. I think that one's probably good too. Let me get it a little bit tighter. You don't want to crack your pipe. But that should do it. All right, now let's pan back. We got to put this on here. So let me show you. Here it is. And I got to put this one on there. So we're just going to take that up there, push it on, just like that. There we go. And now you just got to tighten it down. That's all. Again, righty-tighty. At least this one's cuter looking. It's blue. Now the question is it going to leak? I'm hoping it doesn't. That's on there pretty good. I think that might be good. All right, now all we got to do is test it and see if there's any water coming out. Oh, last but not, you got to plug this in. And this over here is where it goes. All right, we're in. All right, so now we can test our new garbage of the disposal and see how we like this American Standard. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, let's go ahead and go with, you know what, I might want to bring this around this way. Pull it through here. so it's out of the way a little bit. Yeah, like that. And then I'll plug it in over here. Okay, so now that's in. That's the other. That's a dishwasher. All right, so we're in there. We're on there tight, I think. I'm hoping. Let's go ahead and run some water first. See if we get any leakage. Now, this was not... That seems to be going now. Let's go ahead and hit it. All right. Interesting. Should be working. Sounds good. Water's draining. This thing's got to stretch out. This thing's keeping the water.
Is that new?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, so that's why?
Yeah. All right, let's do it again. See, watch. And it kind of fills up there because it's not like draining through. Because that'll catch all your, this will catch all the big chunks. Yeah. Here's the garbage disposal. You can hear it grinding away. Everything seems to be working. I think we did a pretty damn good job on this. What do you guys think? All right, so this is an American Standard. I got it at Walmart. It seems to be working. It's a very nice color, by the way. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.